My name is Prasanna Ranganathan. I am part of the founding team and head of engineering at 5money. At 5money, we are building the money management app for working professionals. Our mission is to maximize people's financial potential, and we work with regulated partners and offer banking, wealth, credit and lending products to our customers. I handle engineering, data science, so pretty much most if not all aspects of the product building and the tech that goes behind it is something I'm responsible for. A key part of the value proposition we provide to our users is what we call as demystifying finances or know your money. To that effect, we leverage Apache Pinio to provide real-time analytics in the form of spend analyzer, where basis transaction category, merchant, time and various dimensions, people can slice and dice all their transactions and past history. In addition to that, aggregations over rewards that we provide to the users, as well as other transaction oriented metrics, all of that is powered by Pinio for us. We started with mostly the standard approaches in terms of trying to run a lot of these aggregate queries on your transactional databases, as well as leveraging fairly standard big data technologies, in which case it wouldn't be real time. Given the real-time nature of Apache Pinio, I think we've over time organically enabled a lot of use cases where previously we would have had to explicitly solve for it. So anything and everything which used to be non-real-time previously, which is analytics oriented, is all directly enabled for our users by using Pinio. We have more than 3.5 million registered users on our platform. And like I said, we have a few billion transactions overall, all of which is ingested into Startree via Kinesis and Kafka streams, and on all of this entirety of this data, we enable the various slice and dice insights analysis for all our users. We were running into the limits of the initial tech we were using, and we were actively looking for other options, which is when we realized Apache Pinio was quite popular, and not to mention it was being used by large orgs like Uber and LinkedIn at that time, right? So that's how we found out about it, and our journey with Pinio started. The real-time analytics use cases pivoted around the know your money pillar for our product. All of that is powered by Apache Pinio behind the scenes for us. Our SLAs were still primarily pivoted around the latency and the throughput. So what we were able to achieve was our median latency was significantly improved when we moved from the earlier tech we had to Pinio. And even the peak throughput that we had, we were able to comfortably hit it without necessarily provisioning more hardware. We've been interacting with Startree and the community and the team behind it for more than a couple of years now. And throughout all the interactions that we've had so far, we have found them to be a very, very startup friendly and open to feedback from the customers, right? So we've had a very collaborative and constructive engagement with them, where they listen to our feedback, not just in terms of feature requests and asks, but also in terms of driving more efficiency in the case of a BYOC model and everything, right? So we have found them to be a very, very trustworthy and collaborative partner all along.